How long does it take for you to repair things? Repairing can be a challenging task, especially if you're not familiar with the tools and procedures required for the job. It can also be costly if you hire a professional. However, with the advancement of technology, there are now tools available that can make repairing things easier. In this video, we're going to talk about 10 brilliant ones that can be helpful. Number 10. Circular saw. The classic skill saw is a reliable circular saw with a versatile circular blade for ripping lumber or cutting large panels like plywood. Its adjustable blade height accommodates scoring wood or making full cuts. Suitable for occasional use, it remains a popular choice even though higher-end models offer more power. The brand is so well known that circular saws are often generically called skill saws. Number 9. Cordless reciprocating saw. This cordless reciprocating saw is designed for professional cutting across different materials. Its stay-open clamp allows easy one-handed blade changes, while the variable speed feature ensures smooth starts and precise cut control. The adjustable pivoting shoe enhances depth control during cutting. Additionally, its lightweight design improves user experience and minimizes fatigue. Number 8. Orbital sander. Almost every home improvement project calls for an electric sander, making it an essential tool for both professional contractors and DIY enthusiasts. Sanding large surfaces manually can be slow, exhausting, and messy. With an electric sander, the job gets done much faster, resulting in a superior finish. Number 7. Nail gun and air compressor. A nail gun coupled with an air compressor is essential for more extensive projects like framing, roofing, and trimming. It's particularly indispensable for finishing work, eliminating the need for manual nail hammering and ensuring a cleaner outcome. Nail guns of different gauges can be easily connected to the same compressor and air hose, offering flexibility. Additionally, the air compressor proves versatile, serving multiple purposes, such as powering a paint sprayer or a blow gun. Number 6. Cordless drill. This versatile power tool is ideal for both professional and home use. A cordless drill is essential for everyday tasks like installing shelves or hanging a baby gate to larger projects such as building a deck. The best cordless drills are powered by lithium-ion batteries, ensuring that even compact models deliver significant power. Before we dive back into the content, let's take a moment to like the video, and if you enjoyed the video so far, subscribe to the channel. Now let's continue. Number 5. Chop saw. Chop saws use a large blade to cut dimensional lumber like 2x4s swiftly and accurately. They can also handle cutting PVC pipe, composite decking, and even substantial timbers like 4x8-inch beams. They are essential for making precise angled cuts in common DIY projects such as trim and picture frames. Many contractors and semi-professionals utilize a stand to enhance their working comfort. Number 4. Oscillating cutter. Imagine you have a screw inside a wall that you need to trim. We recommend the oscillating cutter. A small vibrating blade featuring precise teeth allows for accurate cuts without the need for extensive destruction. This makes it particularly useful when working with hard-to-reach areas, providing surgical precision and convenience for tasks that would otherwise require more invasive methods. Number 3. Impact driver. Impact drivers operate like torque wrenches and deliver short, powerful bursts for efficient turning without damaging fasteners or the tool's motor. Unlike regular drills, impact drivers use fewer, stronger fasteners, ensuring quicker and more durable installations, especially crucial in new construction projects. Number 2. Rechargeable screwdriver. The Hammerhead 4-volt rechargeable screwdriver is a multifunctional tool that is versatile beyond standard screwdriving. It provides convenience and safety with features like LED lights, forward-reverse control, and a circuit sensor. It can also function as a manual screwdriver, includes a wire stripper, and has a bending slot for added versatility. Simplify electrical projects with this all-in-one tool that does more. Number 1. Cordless cable and wire cutter. This tool combines hydraulic force with a portable pen tool that is convenient for efficient cable cutting. Its compact design allows for effortless cuts without adjusting long arms or blades. Powered by red lithium battery, it offers up to 150 cuts per charge and features an LED light for visibility. The kit includes a multi-voltage charger compatible with various tools, making it ideal for job site use. Alright, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Any of you who knows about other brilliant and practical tools, let us know in the comment section below. If you found this video useful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you guys in next videos.